Okay, so you've got a great video you want to share to Instagram, and every time you upload it, Instagram is trying to make you chop the end off because it's longer than 90 seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload it into Instagram so that you can keep the whole video on Instagram and it still shows up in the Reels tab. Hi, my name's Anita Wong and I'm a video marketing expert, and on this channel you'll find videos around Facebook and Instagram marketing and the full Meta suite. If you're interested in videos around YouTube, then do check out my sister channel, Midlife Tubers, where you'll learn more about YouTube. Okay, let's jump straight in. As you can see here, I have quite a few different Instagram Reels here. And usually on Instagram, you have a limit of 90 seconds. So if I go to the plus button, and I go to the Reels option and I choose this video, which is 2 minutes 42 seconds, Instagram is automatically going to want me to chop it down to less than 90 seconds. However, I don't want to do that with this video. I want to upload it to my Instagram account. So what you need to do instead of choosing the Reels option is actually go in and post it as a post option. So click the plus button and go to post like you've got here. Or if you want to click the plus button at the top, choose the post option. Now choose your 2 minute 42 second video and click the next button. Now, as you can see, it's 2 minutes 41 seconds actually, and I can either go in and edit the video, and you have all of the Reels features in here. So you can edit, cut, swap, add audio, add text, add stickers, add voiceover, all of the things that you normally do in Reels. But as you can see, it's 2 minutes 42 seconds still. So it's not getting me to chop it down, it's keeping it at 2 minutes 42, so it's not cutting it down to 90 seconds or less. All you have to do then is click the go button and it's there waiting to go. So all you have to do is choose your cover. So choose a cover that is applicable to your video, or you can upload a cover from your camera roll. Select how you want it to show up on your grid, click done. Add your update, so add your description. You can also choose whether you want it to stay on your profile grid or also just on your Reels grid only. You see that? Main grid and Reels, or just the Reels grid. So it's automatically going to place it in as a Reel even though it's longer than 90 seconds. Go ahead and click share. As you can see, it says keep Instagram open while you're finishing posting, so just wait for that video to upload. Whilst we're waiting for that, why don't you hit that subscribe button on my channel and give me the thumbs up, because this video is absolutely going to solve the problem that you've had about adding longer videos to your Instagram account as Reels. Okay, so as you can see, my video has uploaded, and when I click on it, you can see that I can drag it through, and as you can see from there, it goes all the way up to 2 minutes 42 seconds. So where is this showing up on my Instagram account? So if we go back to my profile, you can see that there's the video in my grid, and when I click on my Reels tab, there's the video in my Reels, and it looks exactly like a Reel. So you can post Instagram Reels to your Instagram account that are longer than 90 seconds long. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope that's helped you to be able to upload more videos to your Instagram account as Instagram Reels, even if they are over the traditional 60 or 90 seconds long.